Apoyo tutwal bedo ni kanno ni natini ni obedo ching chabit aworo we laid to rest our mother Cecilia Timogwal tini ni achal lao utikere pod our brother amedan pod to ye heni me timo uchwale to his final place kando eno berie until we meet him with the father. But anna me abiru me recording Jampeta Nyabel Michael Odero, and this is my YouTube channel. Atakoboni on this very day I'm very chinchabe in the Piero Borni. Make a wow kenne o tiegini West Nile. I'm recording it a little bit late because at time when ginamoter our brothers to West Nile to and then I come back and then record this. Apoyo to twal our brothers Ame Donyo from West Nile, Akoboni. Every time we've been good friends and we've connected very well. But up to this day, I want to tell you ni an yape yom. I am not happy with what our friends, our brothers experience in West Nile. Football is football. No. It's not good. It's not good. That is, we are here celebrating our ancestries, and we cannot celebrate with stones. No. Petia bear, come. You people of West Nile, you need to style up. You need to style up. Because last week you were here at Akii-Bua. And when you wait for us, you even said on social media, and what was the meaning of that? Yes, we know we love football. We know it is our time. But give us also the time. That's too much. Tear gas. No, Gweng. No. It's not right. I am not happy. I'm not happy at all. Kau diro lajo, nu diro lajo.